Everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to remove Viber watermarks from photos and GIFs you created on Viber. So the first thing you need to do if you want to remove the watermarks, because it's automatically enabled for the watermark to show. So to disable this feature, after opening up your Viber app, click on the three dots at the bottom and then click on settings. Next you need to click on media. And you can see Viber watermark, which is the third option. It is set to add a watermark to the photos and videos created using Viber lenses and GIFs. So what you do, turn it off. It's as simple as that. So now, when you create photos and videos using Viber lenses and GIFs, it won't have the Viber watermark attached to it. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.